Baby girl, you the one I adore. Your love bring me serenity. Every night I pray before I sleep, because I found you. Love you. No cloud, I do this for real. Can't tell you the ways you made me feel. I wanna love you for life, my future, my wife. You leaving, I'ma miss you. My loving ain't an issue. You rockin' with a Mitchell.
What up, Mix Mafia? How are you guys feeling today? I hope blessed, of course.
As for me, I am feeling blessed. I feel good. How you feeling, baby?
I'm feeling good, but I will feel even better if you guys smash that like button and go subscribe right now.
Okay. But anyway, guys, I don't know if you guys watched that vlog. I think it was a vlog. My cousin has sent me these shades and I'm wearing them for the first time, and Chic likes them. I like them too. I like big glasses.
And as for Chic, I got on the body ears. They look
Why
nice on
are you
me.
so annoying?
Nah, these is fire. These is fire on me. Stop hating.
Those are woman shades. Though.
These are.
But they look nice on you.
Why you
They
gotta
really
tell
do.
them that?
They look, because they do look like women. Let me see. I don't think you could pass for
I can't pass
men
them.
shades.
Alright, it's over.
I don't know.
These got. It's only because of these. They got.
I don't know. Anyway, guys, we just made it to Target. Oh.
Every time we get to Target.
She's like, yeah, mad loud. Sorry, baby. We just made it to Target. We gotta pick up some Pampers, you know, just the regular stuff that you just run out of, and the stuff that the kids go through, the babies go through, like water. So we gotta get Pampers.
Why we didn't do drive up? They out here delivering shit.
Yeah, but milk and stuff don't.
Milk? Who need milk?
We're gonna get more milk.
From Target? No.
We always get.
Get it from
Oh
BJ.
yeah, you're right.
Hello.
But even if we do it now, it's gonna take too long. Unless
so?
you want to stay here and wait.
Nah, I'm not waiting.
He's right. I should have did drive up, because we're going food shopping anyway, because usually I get the milk from. Alright guys, so Sheik ran in to go get us some food, and I kind of want to, like, not prank him, but just like get his reaction. So I'm gonna be like gasping. I'm gonna be doing the I'm gonna do that just to see what he does. I just want to get a reaction out of him. Mattis in his house. Let me see. Yeah. Hi, putty putties. Hi, baby. You're getting so big, my love. Guys, look at her Crocs. How cute. But yeah, guys. So I'm just gonna be like out of nowhere just to get his reaction every time he's driving and he hits like a hard stop or just something like that. I always tend to gasp dramatically, and he hates it. He just be like, yo, it's really not that serious. So let's see. He's about to be so mad at me. This is gonna be so funny. Damn, they made this pretty fast.
They move quick.
Nobody's in there?
There's a few people in there. You just here living this lifestyle with the niggas you came with. You heard? You here living this lifestyle with the niggas. What?
Oh, I thought that was a bug. I was about to say, what the hell? I thought there was a bug in there. I would have died.
I don't want to eat it no more.
No, there's no bug in there.
It just annoyed me.
Oh, this looks good.
Don't drop that teriyaki.
I definitely want your sauce. Can I have your sauce?
No, hell no. Who says that? Can I have your sauce?
No.
Can't trade a shrimp for a shrimp for a shrimp?
I had enough. I'm good.
You want some shrimp?
No.
Let's do it.
No, I don't. I really don't.
No.
Sorry.
You messed up my car? What happened?
Babe,
What?
look.
Get a baby wipe. You know, today you are super dramatic.
Why?
Keep doing that. I thought there was a roach in the car now. I'm like, what now?
I need a wipe right now. Where is your bag? In the back?
Yep.
Did you drink water?
No, I don't want no water. Told you I don't drink water.
Oh, you did drink
I
water.
drink soda, sis.
You did drink. I don't drink no soda. He drinks soda behind my back. That's about it.
Hmm?
No.
I drink water behind your back?
Mm-hmm.
How?
You do. You don't?
I drink water behind your back.
Soda.
I don't drink soda.
Yes, you do.
What are you talking about?
Yes, you do.
Since when?
You drink sodas, I'm mine.
I drink ginger ale and that's it.
Listen.
What other soda you ever seen me
He
with?
asked, what's the definition of cat? He is. The definition of cat.
So you don't drink ginger ale?
Him. I don't. When was the last time I drank ginger ale?
Ginger ale. That's a good line.
I got that.
About to choke on it out.
Oh my god, that shit scared me.
Yo.
Yo, that's scared. That's scared me.
I'm about to get out and walk.
I got the cups.
Yo. Do me a favor though. Stop doing that.
I got the
Every time you do that, I'm on my heels like, what happened? It's not funny. The prank is up. The jig is up. I got it.
What prank?
The prank. Stop doing it.
That's not a prank.
Stop doing that. Yo, for everything. I thought they gave me juice.
Why do you always say something's a prank? Like, I actually thought, what the hell was wrong with
What
you?
scared you? What?
What you mean?
What scared you? Why you did that
I
noise?
thought there was a bug.
That's the third
No,
bug.
they coming in. I feel like they coming inside the car.
That's what lying.
Guys, message. Ready for it? Never underestimate your ability to turn a negative into a positive.
Too negative.
You can learn and grow from anything. Guys, you see everything I do, he thinks it's a prank. Like, he knows, he's onto it. I'm just gonna stretch it. Like, I'm not gonna do it until we get to our next destination. Like, maybe when we get to BJ's, when we food shop.
What is going on right here?
Oh my god. Oh my god, that shit scared me. Yo.
You keep doing
Yo,
that.
you getting me tight. You really getting me tight.
Yo, you can't do that while I'm
Stop
driving.
driving like that.
You can't do that while
Stop
I'm driving.
driving
I'm not
like
driving like nothing. What do you mean?
You too close. What is your problem?
I'm gonna pull your eyelashes right over your face. Watch.
Play too
Yo,
much.
what is going on? Avi, come on. Come. Hi. Alright, okay, I'm done.
Listen, she don't wanna play. Yo, look at this gas though. That's OD. He said 349. Why are you laughing?
Nah, you dumb.
Why am I
I'm
dumb?
about to punch you right in the head. Guys, I'm gonna go all day until Shalik gets it.
What?
Do that shit again while I'm driving and I'm gonna hit the wall.
Stop. Yo, stop cursing.
You like my, ooh, you feel warm up. Oh, get away. Corona.
First of all, nobody did none of that. So I don't even know what you're talking about. You always
So why
think
you
that
keep going?
Because you're scaring me. That's why.
I didn't even do nothing. I
Yes, you
just
did.
pulled up.
Yes, you did.
You so dramatic. Get out of here.
No, you're scaring me.
Oh my god. Shalik is crazy. If I'm later,
Oh my god.
yo, I hate you.
Why
Bro.
would you hit me in my
Stop doing that.
Why would you hit me
Stop
in my
doing
head?
that.
Yo, why would you hit me in my
I
head?
thought I killed the cat, son. Stop doing
Yeah,
that.
you keep scaring me.
Stop doing that,
You
bro.
keep scaring me. Nah, I'm not driving with you no more. I'm done.
I'm about to pull over. And just let the car drive itself.
I'm done.
Tesla drive.
Stop. You're scaring me.
Ain't no cats on the road. I don't know why I'm falling for that little stupid thing.
What stupid thing? You think I'm joking?
You're gonna lose your breath doing that shit. Watch. Next time you do, I'm gonna chop you right in the throat.
You hit me in my head kind of hard there.
You scared me, nigga.
You scared me.
Scared you from what?
The way you're
From what?
driving.
There was no cars around me. What did
No,
I?
you listen.
I thought it was a squirrel son on the floor. I'm like, what? What did I do?
Yo, you hear me tight, bro.
What did I do? What did I do? I've known him for 3 freaking years. He wouldn't do a thing like that. He said I've known him for 2 freaking hours. He wouldn't do a thing like that. Now what? Yo, it's lit for you.
Oh, that sun hitting.
But I gotta be right here in front of this.
Oh, so.
I'm a puppy.
Sad.
And when your lady's confused, just slap her in the head. She'll get it correct. Right? Huh? I'm talking to you.
What? What would you mean slap her on the head?
Oh, now you hear me. You too into your phone.
See this?
You're not
Y'all
tuned.
hear this? Talking
You're
about
not-
slap on
you're
that
not
head.
tuned in.
Do not touch
You're
your
not
girl,
tuned
okay?
in.
That is abuse.
When she start
That
talking
is
like that,
a
you palm
domestic
her head.
violence case.
You grab your hand, you palm her head like a basketball, and you talk to her. Listen, listen, chica. You hear me?
I am.
No, look at me. Look at me when I talk.
I'm looking.
No, look, face me. I want to see your eyes.
Yeah, first of all, you don't get off my head.
Hey yo.
Alright guys, so we home. I'm home probably for like 2 hours now.
Nah, I think an hour.
No,
Yeah.
ain't no hour. You watched a whole nother game.
Nah, that was already fourth quarter. It was 5 minutes left in the fourth quarter.
Yeah, and that takes an hour.
And then I watched the overtime.
I think we've been here home for like 2 hours. But anyway, guys, so. What happened?
Yo, stop.
Alright.
I hate you.
Nah.
No.
Nah.
That was the worst one of the day. That was the worst one of the day.
Come here.
Nope.
Yo, son, you like you came out your body, bro.
You know what was happening? I was like, she's so right.
Nah, but it definitely was just to get your reaction all day. That I did the
It works.
I did the intro when you was in
That works with anybody.
in Japan. Sorry. Alright guys, so we're gonna end the vlog right here. We hope you guys enjoyed.
Make sure you smash that like button, and if you're not already, make sure you go ahead and subscribe right now.
Yes.
Turn on your post notification bell so you can get every single video.
Every single video. Every single video. Bye guys.
Baby girl, you the one I adore. Your love bring me serenity.